Your savings account is empty because of one mistake, and you're probably making it every single month without realizing it. You tell yourself you'll save money this month, but then rent hits, groceries hit, bills hit, and by the time everything is paid, there's nothing left. So you tell yourself next month will be different, but it never is, because you're making the same mistake over and over. Here's the mistake. You're trying to save what's left over, but there's never anything left over. There never will be. When savings comes last, it gets the scraps, and usually there are no scraps. Think about it. Your landlord gets paid first. Your electric company gets paid. Your phone bill gets paid. Netflix gets paid. The grocery store gets paid. Everyone gets paid before you. You work all month, and you're the last one in line for your own money. And by the time you reach the front, the line is empty. This isn't a discipline problem. This isn't about willpower. The system is broken. You're playing a game you can't win. Here's how to fix it. Flip the order. Pay yourself first, not last. First. The moment your paycheck hits, a portion goes straight to savings. Before rent, before bills, before anything, you pay yourself like you pay your landlord. Non-negotiable. The Finance Reset Toolkit makes this simple. You enter your income, you see your real surplus, then you assign savings first before you allocate anything else. You decide how much goes to your emergency fund, how much goes to your goals, how much goes to debt payoff, all before you budget for spending. The interactive web app shows you exactly when you'll hit each goal. You watch your savings grow in real time. No more scraps. No more hoping there's something left. People using this system built emergency funds for the first time in their lives. They stopped paying themselves last and started treating savings like a bill that must be paid. If you're ready to fix the one mistake keeping your savings empty, hit the like button, comment first below, and subscribe for more. Tap the link in the description to get the Finance Reset Toolkit and start paying yourself first. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.